Yes, hello everyone, welcome back into this video and welcome back into this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can generate your splash screen for your mobile apps and Android apps, including also the iOS, also online. You can be generating the apps splash screen and also be able to customize your built mobile applications. By watching this video, you can also see how you can be doing this. Remember to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video to your friends, and turn notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Max TV. Without wasting time, let's get started. What you need to do, you need to come into your browser and type splash screen generator. So after typing splash screen generator, you can see I'm going to be getting various details, including outcomes from my search result here. And also you can see I have this one. You can see also I have this and this. So here you can be able to come and also tick this first one. By clicking on this first one, which is also hotpot.ai, you can be able to go with also splash screen for your mobile application. Now let me click on this first one and also see what is going to be happening. I'm going to be there to the platform, and from here you can see I have various templates for splash screen that I can use to customize and create my splash screen. What you need to do now, you need to select any you want and also be able to customize it. For instance, I click on this one. Once I click on this one, I can go to edit. So once I'm going to the edit, I'm going to be editing this icon. So I can be clicking here and also choose whether I have different icons. You can see I'm putting different items. If I come to the images, I can go also to the images and put this one. I can even go to, and for instance, insert this one in my splash. I'm going to be able to customize it as the icon. So it's up to you to decide which one you have to include in. So then you can be able to change also the color as well, customize it in the way you want. Also, once you are done, you can also be customizing this one and go here, also upload this one. You see I'm using now the ones which are here, but you can upload the one from your laptop or your computer. What you need to do, you need to go to your computer and also select the one you want to be uploading also, and make also your splash screen appealing. So what you need to do here is that as I'm done this now, you also have to customize it in every way possible, and once you are done, you need to download your splash screen. So how to download this one on this platform, you need to come here and also make sure that you are logged into account. Then you come here, also have to read these attributes and also read how they are also advertised this one, and also scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see it's waiting for 30 to 60 seconds, and also from here you can be able to download it. Once the 30 seconds are done, you can be able to see it finishing the download. Also, once it is also downloaded, that is where also you can be able to download it. Let's see, wait for 60 seconds and see what is going to be the next step. So once it is done, now you can go ahead and also be able to submit it. So you can see it is loading 30 to 60 seconds. So as you can see now, it is already done. So this means that I can be able to download it. This is how it will be looking like in your phone. Now click here, and also you will be also sizing it as well, depending on how you want to be sizing it. And also once you are done, you see now you have also a splash screen. So thank you for watching this video. This is also how you can be creating a splash screen online for a mobile app, and also you can be able to do it easily. If you don't have time to be customizing a lot of things, if you don't have, also if you are lashing, also can be using the platform and be able to create splash screen. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to the channel TV, like this video, share the video to your friends, and turn the notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Max TV. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in our comment section.